Okay, well maybe you could bring it like
Okay,
that.
okay, wait. And then now. How do you guys do it?
So it's about that time, the last sunset of the year. So you just kind of sit there and just kind of like reflect, you know, it's almost time for that new year, new me bullshit. But you know what, at the end of the day, it's the same you, different year, you know, still riding the same board, which I don't blame you. I mean, this is the best board you'll ever see. You know, the Splash Life Wet Dream is really just a fantastic ride. But yeah, you know, you might acquire some new skills, find some new friends, meet a lot of good people, do some good art, you know, new dance moves. But at the end of the day, it's the same old you.
Voting Moanas.
And you've created all these cool new memories and new like places you've explored. It's still you eating the same old crunch berries, going on adventures, and stalking dolphins. The most important thing in life is time is all you have, so might as well keep it juicy.
And I hope everybody's 2025 is freaking fantastic.